Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the home tour video that I posted last week. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys me building my new desk and shelving unit that I got from IKEA. For the past 5 years in North Carolina, I've been going through an IKEA withdrawal, and I finally was able to scratch the itch. I wasn't able to bring my desk from North Carolina because of whatever reason, so I've been looking for a new desk on Amazon, but I haven't been able to find one for an affordable price that I really love. So being as though we live in Southern California, IKEA is only about 30 to 45 minutes away. I figured, why not go to IKEA, see what they have, maybe I'll leave with a desk that day, have that instant gratification. We ended up going to IKEA, and I ended up finding this desk, and I only paid $69.99 without tax. It was super easy to build, and I was able to do it all by myself. If you want to see how it turns out, then keep on watching.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all. No, I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone...
At first, when I tried to screw these in, I used a screwdriver, but I wasn't able to manhandle it enough. So I just went and grabbed my husband's drill, and it made the process a lot easier. So if you decide to get this same desk as me, I highly recommend using a drill instead of using a screwdriver. Another thing that I would recommend is that when you're drilling in these nails, don't drill them all the way in at first. Drill them with about a centimeter or so left. That way, if you have to make any minor adjustments, you can do so. And then once you have it where you want it, you can tighten it all the way down.
That I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go.
Now comes the hard part, lifting up the table and putting it on its legs. You can't really tell because I sped it up, but I definitely did have some trouble flipping it over, and I just love how my baby thought he was helping.
Much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down?
I definitely have to say that being able to put my iMac on my desk and just watching it all come together was like super satisfying, and I can't wait to finish decorating the rest of my office and share it with you guys.
But will you let me down?
My computer itself, the stand and the keyboard were super dusty, so I just made sure to wipe it all with Windex and a microfiber cloth. I love the way it came out. My desk has so much more extra space. However, I don't know exactly what I want to do just yet, but if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below. Building this shelving unit was a little more of a pain in the ass for me. It wasn't necessarily harder or anything, it's just that it was really annoying trying to balance it on one shelf. So what I ended up doing was adding another shelf underneath just to give it a little bit more stability. So at this point, I was already way too long from the boys and they kept asking for me. Also, since I am pregnant, Blue has been more up my behind and just wants to be around me all of the time. I love him, don't get me wrong, but he's annoying sometimes and definitely gets in the way. So that's why I ended up kicking him and Landon out. I gave the boys and Blue another chance to be in my office with me, but the boys were being annoying, so I ended up kicking them out again. Talk about mom problems, right? But Blue was actually behaving, so I ended up letting him stay. Quick tip for moms who have little ones that get into everything, put a childproof knob on your office door. I definitely recommend it if you're ever worried about your stuff getting messed up. I got mine from Walmart in the baby section, but I'm pretty sure you can find some on Amazon if you can't make it to the store in person. Alright, so I built my shelf. However, I need it to be put on the wall right there in the corner. But Anthony's gone right now, so once he gets back, I'm gonna have him help me put that right here. And then I'm thinking, like, so here's my desk, there's my little shelving unit, and then I'm gonna get like a little small printer stand to put my printer over there. So, but for right now, it's probably just gonna go on the floor. But yeah, I'm so excited.